simple force just like that. Get things moving better for you. That little hot here is just a release of tension within the joint space there.